Welcome to the Melina Choker application tutorial. What you'll need: a doll, Melina jewelry, and tweezers. These are the necklaces. Firstly, hold the choker around your doll's neck and grab the hook with the tweezers. Insert it into the ring, or whichever length of the extender best fits. This is what it'll look like. The process for applying necklaces, belts, bracelets, and earrings are similar and very easy. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch. I hope you all enjoy the jewelry. Shop doll jewelry at melina.com. That's MALINAH.com. And remember, Melina loves you.